Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. This is my OnePlus 13R running on the old OxygenOS launcher version 16.6.5. We already covered the detailed review of this launcher in our old video. Its link is available in the iCard and in video description. But yesterday we got the updated new version of the OxygenOS launcher 16.6.8. I installed this launcher and it has added some interesting new features that we are going to review in this video. There are also one major issue this launcher has regarding the compatibility, which we'll discuss in this video. So before installation of this new update, you must watch this video till the end. If you find our content useful, then please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, I installed this launcher on my OnePlus 13R, which has OxygenOS 16.1 version. On this device, it's working perfectly fine. But later, when I install it on the Note 5 having the old OxygenOS 16.0.5 build, I got some issues that I have shown in the respective timeline of this video. The first major feature of this launcher is new Google search bar setting. In the home screen setting of this launcher, we now get this dedicated option for quick search box. You just need to enable this toggle which enables the Google's quick search box at the bottom of the home screen. This search bar is highly customizable and productive, having multiple Google AI features. Just go to the custom Google quick search box option. Here you will find the different presets available for the search box. The first one is the default layout having the system theme. Second is a light theme search box. Next is dark mode. Next is device theme having the same monet theme as per home screen wallpaper. And the last is custom, which you can customize as you want. We get a hue and the saturation control slider. By using this, we can tune the colors of the search box. We can even control the transparency of search bar using the transparency slider. The most important feature of this search bar is AI shortcut feature that we will check out soon. Similarly, we can customize other presets of the search bar, but the other ones only have the transparency and the shortcut control. So these are the Google AI feature shortcuts. We get multiple AI shortcuts. The first one is AI mode. Once you add this shortcut, it will be visible in a search bar, and if you tap on it, it opens the AI Google search mode. Here you can type your query and Google will give you the best possible answer using the Google Gemini AI model. Next is AI Translate Text. This shortcut will open a box where you can type your text and Google AI will translate it into your preferred language. Next is also a translate shortcut using camera. This directly opens the stock camera application. You can point the camera towards any text you want to translate and it will get translated in a real time into your preferred language. This is super helpful when you travel in a foreign countries to translate the nameplates or anything. Next is a dictionary which opens the Google Dictionary where you get the meanings of any kind of query you want by just typing it in the text box. Next is Google Homework shortcut. This is super helpful for students. This shortcut opens the camera and if you point it at your school or college textbooks, Google AI recognizes the content and provides the select text and summarize options. By using the select text, you can copy whole textbook paragraph and can save it as a notes. Or you can even copy it in your computer or a cloud service for further use. You can even listen to selected text. The summarize option summarizes the selected content with YouTube links for better visual understanding of context. This Google News shortcut will directly opens the Google News page. Similarly, the weather shortcut opens the briefing of the weather condition of your location. This song search shortcut helps you to search nearby music tracks playing around you by listening to the music. Google Sports opens the newsfeed page of your interested sports. Same way, the finance shortcut opens the Google Finance feed page showing the daily share market index along with the major financial news. This Google Save shortcut opens the saved pages of your Google feed. So these are all the Google shortcuts you can use in this search box. Some of its AI shortcuts are very useful to perform the quick actions directly from the home screen using this search bar. The next feature added by this launcher is a new settings to hide the AI app suggestions, which is present at the top of the application drawer. Just tap on the three dot menu, select the setting. Here we get the show application suggestion toggle. If we disable it, app suggestions will be removed from the app drawer. Apart from this launcher now has better and faster apps opening and closing animation from the home screen. This launcher has improved the accuracy of the speed color selection bar in the app drawer for smoother operations. Let's talk about the major issue with this launcher. I don't recommend you to install it on any old OxygenOS version below 16.0.7 aka 16.1. Here on the right side is my Node 5 having the old OxygenOS 16.0.5 OxygenOS version, while on the left side is OnePlus 13R running with the OxygenOS 16.1 build. On OnePlus 13R this launcher didn't have any issues, but on Node 5 when I installed and tested this launcher, the quick search box and animations are working great, but in the apps categories section, the AI categories of the application got messed up. All applications categorized in only two folders. One is others and recently installed. This is the same issue for the last two updates of launcher, so I did not create the launcher update videos. But if you are using OxygenOS 16.1 aka 16.0.7 on your OnePlus device, you can definitely try this build. Users who didn't like this version can go to the apps management and search for the system launcher and uninstall its updates. That will solve your issue. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.